No matter where you live, there is an adventure to be had within driving distance. The main problem is that road trips can be too long for many of us and boring experiences, made even more difficult if there are restless kids in the backseat. Oh my god! Thankfully, there's a whole world of excellent devices and gadgets to help make your next road trip safer and more enjoyable. So let's take a look at some of the best car gadgets of 2021. Before moving ahead, welcome to Rolling on Wheels. Don't forget to hit the subscription button and turn on notifications by clicking on the bell icon. In this video, we'll take a look at what we consider the best car gadgets you can buy, all of which are available at an affordable price. Who knows, maybe you'll find something you did not even know you wanted or needed in your life. Number 1. Bestek 300W Inverter. Most cars have USB ports these days, but you won't find a 3-pin main socket. So if you need power, something that can't charge via USB, such as a laptop or your DSLR battery, then you need an inverter. These gadgets convert your car's 12-volt direct current electricity supply to 240-volt alternating current. The Bestek 300W inverter delivers, as the name suggests, 300 watts. But if you want to connect anything over 150 watt, you'll need clips to attach it directly to your car battery. That's enough to power a laptop, TV, or camping fridge, but always check the power consumption of your device before connecting it. Products such as travel irons, hair dryers, and straighteners need too much power and can't be used. There are 2 USB ports, each providing 2.4 ampere of power, enough to charge 2 iPads simultaneously. A switch on the back lets you turn off the inverter instead of unplugging it from your car's accessory socket, and the internal fan isn't too noisy. Number 2. Anker Mini Car Charger. Living in today's connected world, having a charged phone has become a need. Unless you claim a more up-to-date vehicle that came with built-in USB ports for charging, you'll need to invest in a car charger. There are dozens to select from, and many of them will work. But if you're planning to spend any amount of cash, you might as well get a unit from a trustworthy brand. The charger has double-duty twin USB-A ports that pump out a combined 24 watts, enough to supply a full-speed charge to 2 phones at once. Unfortunately, it isn't consistent with Qualcomm Quick Charge. The car charger's super small design preserves space, permitting seamless access to the rest of your dashboard. It has heavy metal finished with a scratch-resistant aluminum alloy surface to match even the most pristine vehicle interiors. Its gold-plated circuitry reduces heat while charging to maximize charging speed and efficiency. Number 3. Crosstour 1080 pixel dashcam. In recent years, dash cams have become a trendy car accessory, allowing you to record while driving if there is an accident. Not everybody wants to spend hundreds of dollars on a dash cam. However, which is why we recommend this affordable unit from Crosstour. It records 1080 pixel video and has a 3-inch LCD screen on the back. This dashcam uses a vast aperture, 170-degree wide-angle lens, and comprehensive dynamic range technology to urge clear footage at night. In contrast, the built-in G sensor will permit the dashcam to identify when there's a sudden shake or collision. If it does, it'll consequently prevent the video from being overwritten, even if it's recording on the loop. Features on this dashcam incorporate loop recording, motion detection, on and off audio, permanent plate stamp, timestamp, auto power off, screensaver, and burst photo capability. Number 4. Amazon Echo Auto. The Roev Viva, which we've also included here, was one of the first ways that you could add Alexa to your car. But now Amazon's official product has arrived in the UK and Australia, having been launched first in the US. It's easy to set up and use, but requires that your car has either Bluetooth or an aux-in port to hear Alexa's voice and any streaming music through your car's speakers. It's also important to note that, like the Viva and Next-based dashcams, you still need your phone to provide the internet connection for Alexa. Number 5. Drive Auto Products Truck Storage Organizer. I use my cars for a lot more than just commuting from point B to point C. That's why another suggested car accessory is this trunk storage organizer from Drive Auto Products. Whether you're picking up foodstuffs or needing to put your kids' sports equipment in your trunk, an organizer keeps it all clean. More vitally, meaning things aren't just rolling around from side to side while you're driving. This trunk organizer features 13 add-up panels that have been strengthened with heavy-duty stiff-base plates to keep the organizer upright. It uses a revolutionary tie-down strap system, so you'll hook it to a cargo net around your seat backs, or even onto your back seat child security anchors. Use it on your traveler's seat for simple access to things while driving, or snared down in your trunk for all your primary supply runs. The organizer is made with premium Oxford fabric, which is long-lasting. Hold on! Please click the subscribe button and the notification bell to get more updates. Now back to our next spot. Number 6. Viair 88P Portable Compressor Tire Inflator. Fuel economy, safety, ride quality are some of the many reasons to keep tires topped up and at an ideal weight. And in 2021, with vehicles just sitting around or getting less use than is ordinary, keeping tires inflated is even more critical. The Viair 88P Portable Compressor Tire Inflator could be a cheap, easy-to-use, and convenient compressor that can help maintain your tires wherever you store your vehicle. The 88P is a tad more costly and heavy-duty compared with other inflators. Still, in a world progressively populated with sport utility vehicles, it can fill tires up to 33 inches in measure. The compressor's long cords make moving around the vehicle generally hassle-free. Some tire inflators can be fueled through the interior 12-volt outlets, but they usually require more power than those outlets can provide. The 88P connects to the vehicle's battery terminals, giving it a bounty of juice without risk to internal systems. The Viair 88P sells for $66 and comes with a 1-year guarantee. Number 7. Inno 445 Longboard SUP Kayak Carrier. Often road trip destinations require bulky gear that demands the cargo space of a huge truck. A suitable flexible rack attachment is key for drivers who need to transport kayaks, surfboards, or stand-up paddleboards but don't need to compromise interior space or operate a little vehicle. It's moreover essential to find one that works with different crossbars, even the factory-installed kind. The Inno Longboard SUP Kayak Carrier safely and effectively stows 1 kayak or canoe, 2 longboards, or 3 short surfboards. They also have a locking component for overnight storage. Effectively maneuverable straps and a ratchet-type latch make it easy for one person to load and unload. Installing the system on the crossbars also could be a cinch. Inno makes other rack attachments that can hold larger loads, but the 445 is a flexible and high-quality piece for fast weekend trips, particularly for solo weekend warriors or those that travel in little packs of 2 or 3. The 445 retails for $191 on Amazon. Number 8. AstroAi Mini Fridge. We know this would not appeal to everyone, but what more excellent car accessory is there other than a mini fridge? This unit comes from AstroAi and can cool up to 32 Fahrenheit or keep warm up to 150 Fahrenheit. Additionally, it breaks 4 liters of storage capacity, giving you the ability to keep half a dozen 12-ounce cans in capacity. It's compact sufficient to put any place inside your car. After you open up the fridge, there's a removable rack so you can store other tiny things like yogurt, fruit, or milk. The mini fridge comes with 2 plugs, one for standard divider outlets and one for your 12-volt cigarette lighter container. One thing to note, you should only run the mini fridge while your vehicle's motor is on. Otherwise, it's a chance of draining your car's battery. It's environmentally friendly as well, using a semiconductor refrigeration chip that's Freon-free. Number 9. Zyllion Shiatsu Back and Neck Massager. If you have to preserve a long commute with frustrating stop-and-go traffic, you might as well try to relax by getting yourself this convenient back and neck massager. From Zyllion, this ergonomic and compact pillow massager is planned to fit comfortably behind your neck and body. Although in your vehicle, it'll be used as a neck massager. It offers influential deep-kneading shiatsu massage hubs along with advanced warming function that can be effectively turned on or off. Easy-to-use straps allow you to introduce this on your car's headrest. And it incorporates an adapter so you can use it from inside your vehicle. This is also an incredible gift idea if you know anybody who spends a lot of their time stuck in traffic. Number 10. Naluxy Bluetooth FM Transmitter. This item recommendation won't offer everyone, but for those who do not have built-in Bluetooth for their car, here is an affordable Bluetooth FM transmitter. It is from Naluxy, and this specific model is consistent with most devices in today's market, permitting you to play your favorite melodies through Bluetooth, trans flash card, or auxiliary cable. Additionally, it uses advanced noise reduction technology to deliver quality, clear sound to your car's stereo. A decently sized LSD shows information such as phone calls, the tune playing, and your car's battery voltage. Yes, it has a built-in voltmeter so you can screen the condition of your car's battery. Then easily reply to phone calls with a push of a button. You do not have to spend a lot of cash to get Bluetooth in your car. FM transmitters make the innovation accessible to everyone on a budget. A high-quality product that any driver can use is the best one on our list of all these car gadgets. So guys, winding up today's content, before wrapping up, subscribe to Rolling on Wheels for watching more and incredible videos in the future. Please stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.